I'm Steve, and today we're going to show you how you can run a part using the hand wheel run mode. To use the hand wheel run mode, you can start your program, run, start, cycle start. And right now we're in the automatic mode, just slowing down the plunge. So rather than using your feed rate override to turn your percentage down to 0, you can hit F10 hand wheel. So the program is still active, but right now you see the blue box on top saying hand wheel mode. So now there's no movement, yet the program is still active. And as I turn the hand wheel, the control reads the lines of the program, and we're moving in X and Y right now. You can see we're cutting in X direction. It's going to get up to the corner, it's going to make the chamfer, and it's going to be cutting in Y, all by cranking the hand wheel. As soon as you want to stop all motion, just stop cranking the hand wheel, all the motion stops. You cannot go backwards through the program, it's only going to advance. So whether you turn the hand wheel clockwise or counterclockwise, it's only going to advance. So don't try to back up. And once you are confident your program is right, you can toggle off the hand wheel run mode, hit cycle start, and the control takes over. And at any point you can always get back into it. Like if we want to stop it around these corners, we'll wait till it gets near there, hit F10 hand wheel, and now the hand wheel mode is blue again, so it's active. We're going to crank the hand wheel. It's going to go around the end of the part. Mill the chamfer's on. Again, toggle the hand wheel run mode off, cycle start, it takes over. So it's a nice way to walk it through your part the first time around if you have anything you're unsure of, to go around clamps. And you can do it during milling cycles, drilling cycles. It will not allow you to do it through a tapping cycle, but all your other modes you can use the hand wheel run mode. Thank you, and I hope you find it a useful tip.